Assalamualaikum and hi madam. So today I would like to present about introduction and explanation of the approach. So I will start about introduction first. Management is a formal and systematic process that involves efficiently and effectively planning, organizing, directing and regulating human and non-human resources to meet the organization's goals. So our group choose Henry Lawrence Gantt, or also as a now Henry Gantt, was an industrial engineer who lived from May 20, 1861 to the November 23, 1990. He was born in the Maryland country of Calvert. During his childhood and the adolescence, he and his family experienced devastating events, particularly in the economic realm. Despite this, his parents did everything they could to ensure that the young Gantt completed his schooling at the Matnor School in 1978 and went on to study industrial engineering at Johns Hopkins University. His performance was excellent. After graduation, he began working as a teacher and documents. Gantt had a natural talent for drawing since he was a child. He then pursued mechanical engineering at the same university in 1887. Okay, so the next explanation of the approach. Gantt is frequently regarded as a disciple of the Taylor and a proponent of the scientific school of the management. Early in his career, under the influence of Taylor and Gantt's aptitude for problem solving, he attempted to address the technical problem of the scientific management. Gantt. So the task of the bonus system. The task on bonus system was introduced in 1991 as an alternative to Taylor's different piece rate system. With Gantt system, the employee receives a bonus in addition to his regular day rate. If complete this task for the day, he would still receive the day rate even if the task was not complete. The perspective of the worker. Gantt realized his system provides little incentive to do anything other than meet the standard. He later changed it to pay based on the time allowed plus and the percentage of the time if the task was complete in that time or less. As a result, a worker could be paid 3 hours to complete the 2-hour task in 2 hours or less. Gantt on the other hand introduced an innovation by paying the foreman a bonus if all skilled worker met the required standard.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurien Arieysha binti Matnor. My meeting number is A2183398. Report for this hurricane is all people still using the theory of scientific management event thus it has long been evaded, giving benefits to managers who handle a project. Gantt never proceeds for his endurance, innovation, and his books are illustrated with examples if showing work in progress later. Related example of hurricane is the creation of a Gantt chart is one of the visual representations of a project schedule. Allows business to provide a graphic display of production plan. One example is the Gantt method of payment of duty and bonus. A Gantt chart is a visual representation of a project schedule. This is an example of chart Gantt.
Hello, my name is Durga Devi Subramaniam. My metric number is A21B3242. Firstly, I will explaining about the advantage of using a Gantt chart. The first advantage is visualize your project plan across time. Gantt chart allowed you to build a project plan and visualize all the work in a bar chart across the time. As a result, you have a visual presentation that you can share with your senior leadership and the entire project team. The second advantage is identify relationship between tasks. Gantt chart allowed you to document and understand the task independently. As a result, there is transparent when someone is relied on someone else to do their work. Last advantage is helping you to manage resources. Contract requirement work to be assigned to an owner. As a result, you can see who is working on what task and when. If someone else has too much to do at one time, the task can be resigned to someone else. Gantt charts is a major tool for industrial or organization management, which is invented by Gantt and entitled by his own name, Gantt chart. There are many advantages of using a Gantt chart. For example, for human resource management, it is useful to reduce the cost of product. It also important tool for material management, and it is also useful to save the time of manufacturing process and others. Next, the invent and a new research. It is a part of modern age and ever need a scientific era, but they are all to follow the related of Gantt chart, where they plan and act of their organization and the growth of the organization. And it is very clear that Gantt chart is very useful for nowadays.